Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of Diecast cars. Today we have a 2021 Hot Wheels to unbox. Today, this is the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. This is trending on the wiki, so maybe I'll get some views on it. Hot Wheels Turbo number 2 of 5 in satin blue with the red tampos. This is the first color in silver with the blue tampos, and here's a carded one. This is on USA Card. Scored this at a Target a few months ago. 45 of 250 for the year. It says Urban Outlaw. That's cool. Back, GTC 38's the number, and this is from Diecasts. 89 Porsche 944 Turbo is Hot Wheels Turbos. Crank up the boost. These turbocharged machines deliver maximum horsepower. The copyright says 2020. Let's get this out of the packaging and see what we're dealing with. Nice clean open we got there. I think I'm finally getting the hang of it. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Got the copper colored J5s, which spin pretty well. That one's wobbling a little bit. Alright. Let's take a better look at the details. Here's our Porsche in this matte blue finish. Really liking the finish on this one. And we can do a side-by-side comparison of the two vehicles. There you are. Hopefully they'll credit me with a thumbnail for that. They usually do if I do side-by-sides. Loving the color on this. 944 on the side with these beautiful red tampos. And it even has the Urban Outlaw tampo right on the side there. If I can get that to focus, that would be really nice. That's the best shot I can get of it. There's the front of the vehicle, Urban Outlaw symbol, right there with the Porsche logo and more striping. Side, same deal, same deal. Nice front view, pop-up headlights, and looks like a sunroof's supposed to be there. That's cool. We'll take a look in the interior there. Sweet, 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 sweet. Like the stuff inside too. It looks, what the heck? Is that a stethoscope? That's weird. Looks like a doctor drives this car. Hot Wheels logo right there. I'm not sure if that was a stethoscope. It was probably something else for car modding or whatever. Let's take a look at the base. Base is plastic. Everything else is metal as far as the body. And new retool, it has the Trackstar symbol on the base right there. And on this one, it does not have a Trackstar base. Thanks so much for tuning in. And subscribe for more. Done.